the value of 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3. So this is continuous fraction. It has no kind of definition, but we can say that a fraction contains additional fractions in its denominators. So this is called continuous fraction. To solve this, we have to start from bottom and work upwards. So we'll see the problem. 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3. We have to solve this. 5 3 is a 15 plus 1. It's 16 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus, here 16 by 3 becomes 3 by 16. 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 16. We have to solve this. 16 4 is 64 minus 3, it's 61 by 16. 1 minus 2 by 3 plus, it becomes 16 by 61. 1 minus 2 by, we have to solve 3 plus 16 by 61. 61 3 is 183 plus 16 by 61. 1 minus 2 by 199 by 61. 1 minus 2 by 199 by 61. So here 61 goes upside, it becomes 2 into 61 upon 199. 1 minus 122 upon 199. So LCM will be 199, and 199 minus 122 will be 77 by 199.